Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a shark donut. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our donut shark. Let's begin with the eye. I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a circle shape for the eye. Then I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. Now right here, I'm going to draw lines. Just going to kind of come out, and then I'm going to bring this down and then up here into like a smile. We'll put a little curve on here. And we'll make a little line. It's just going to come down and then back up here. Let's go ahead and put some little teeth in here. Then we'll put some teeth here and then a couple over here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over to here. For the nose, we'll just make a little dot. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line up. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line. It's going to come up, put a little notch in it, and then come back down for the shark fin. Then we're going to curve this down. Next, I'm going to curve this line down. Then we'll make a little line. It's going to come up and then back up here, or down and up for the little fin. Then we're going to curve this over to here. We'll make a line here and a line here. Then we're going to come up and down and make a little notch right there. We'll go down and up here and then just meet in the middle. Now, right in the center of our little shark donut, let's go ahead and make a circle. Then right along here, I'm going to make kind of like a little wiggly line on just that right side. Next, I'm going to make a little wavy line right along here for the icing on our shark donut. I'm going to make a couple little lines for some gills. And a little triangle shape here for that other fin. I'm going to make a little curved line for like an eyebrow. And then just a couple little lines here for some detail on our shark. Little line here. Then finally, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some little skinny sprinkles all around here. So I'm just going to kind of put these going all different directions. So I'm just going to speed this part up. And there you go. There is your drawing of a cute, funny shark donut. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.